A very good morning to my class 9th students. I am sharing a revision video of the causes of Russian Revolution of 1917. It will be a quick recap. I have explained you all the causes in detail in different videos. Now this video will contain a quick look at all the causes with the main explanation. So the first cause behind Russian Revolution was the very poor and bad condition of Russian farmers. Okay, the Russian farmers were subjected to feudalism. Feudalism means landlordship. बड़े बड़े लोगों के खेतों में उनको काम करना पड़ता था. ठीक है, feudalism and serfdom. The peasant works as serfs on the land and much of their produce went to the hands of higher classes. Serfdom means you produce, the higher classes take. Means whatever you will produce, a major part of it will be taken by the people who are in power, who are providing you the lands. Very small piece of land was given to the farmers. A large of them own only 2.5 acres of land. Very small part of land was available to the farmer. 2.5 एकड़ से ज़्यादा खेत नहीं थे ज़्यादातर फार्मर्स के बाद. ओके, एंड इतनी बुरी कंडीशन हो गई थी. द कंडीशन वॉज सो मच बैड दैट 70% ऑफ द फार्मर्स कुड नॉट गिवन मील. एक मील भी नहीं हो पा रही थी. एक टाइम का खाना भी खाने के लिए परेशान हो रहे थे. सेकेंड क्या था रीजन? डेप्लोरेबल प्लाइट ऑफ रशियन वर्कर्स. अब लेबरर्स के साथ और प्रॉब्लम थी. लेबरर्स के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? लेबरर्स हाई वर्क आवर्स थे, लो वेजेस थे. सारे लॉज जो थे वो कैपिटलिस्ट और इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के फेवर में थे. लेबर लॉज कुछ नहीं थे वहाँ पे. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम लिया जाता था, कम से कम जो है पगार दी जाती थी. लो वेजेस, हाई वर्क आवर्स, मिजरेबल कंडीशन थी. वेजेस लो थी, कंडीशंस और मील्स और अपनी सोशल स्टेटस लेबरर्स की बहुत पुअर हो चुकी थी एट दैट टाइम. ओके, सो laborers also had a lot of grudges, a lot of anger against the rule of Czar. Third point was that autocratic rule of Czar of Russia. Czar of Russia क्या था? He was a very self-obsessed man. Self-obsessed means he believed that whatever he does is right. He said that he believed that he is divine, he is the son of God. Whatever he will do इज राइट. वो गलत कर ही नहीं सकता था. उसको घेरे रखते थे हमेशा एलीट लोग जिनकी चलती थी प्रिविलेज क्लासेस. वो कुछ लोगों को तो स्पेशल पावर्स देता था जो अमीर होते थे कि कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, उनके लिए सारे रूल्स माफ हैं. प्रिविलेज क्लासेस थे उनके लिए, बट कॉमन पर्सन के लिए कोई रूल एंड रेगुलेशन नहीं था. देयर वॉज नो रूल एंड रेगुलेशन फॉर द कॉमन पीपल. निकोलस सजार सेकेंड हैड कंप्लीट फेथ इन मॉन्क्स. मॉन्क्स मीन द रिच, क्या कहते हैं, द रिलीजियस पीपल. एक मॉन्क था रास्पुटिन, वो बहुत बहुत क्लोज था. ही वॉज इन द गुड बुक्स ऑफ सजार. ही वॉज कॉल्ड द होली डेविल. होली डेविल फॉर रिएक्शनरी पॉलिसीज. इसकी ही पॉलिसीज थी जो पब्लिक के अगेंस्ट थी. ही बिलीव दैट रिलीजन टू बी सुप्रीम. ही वट एवर ही डिड, किंग बिलीव्ड इन दैट, whether it was good for the public or whether it was bad for the public, and most of the time it was bad for the public. Okay, another thing that people were aware of the socialist and Karl Marx. People were listening to the teachings of Karl Marx, Robert Owen, Saint Simon, Louis Blanc, and they knew that socialism is very important for the country. And I have told you, socialism believed in division of wealth. Socialism believes in providing equality. ये सारी चीज़ें भी थी बहुत important कि कार्ल मार्क्स की टीचिंग, रॉबर्ट ओवन की टीचिंग, all these teachings were very inspiring for the people. People believed, people knew what their rights are, people knew what to do, people knew what not to do. It was very good and it was very inspiring for the people. Next point that was very sad, that the revolution that had taken place in 1905, it was also very inspiration for the Russian Revolution of 1917. After 12 years, means the Russian Revolution took place, but before 12 years, like in 1905, Russia has lost a war against Japan. It was under the leadership of Caesar only 1905. The defeat was very very humiliating. बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से हारे थे, बहुत ही शर्मनाक हार थी. People turned against the ruler. People believed that Russia को नहीं हारना चाहिए था. Russia should not lose the war. There was a revolution that broke out against the Caesar. People wanted that Caesar should be removed. So around 1,000 people were killed. They were going to meet Caesar. It was a peaceful meeting. They were going to give their petition that what government should do, what government should not do, what ruler should do, what ruler should not do. People oriented policies. But Caesar fired at them, made the armies fire at them, and around 1,000 people got killed. This broke out into a big revolution.